Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your WordPress website using the WP Reset plugin. This is a great way to start fresh if you want to whip out all your content and setting without having to reinstall WordPress. Let's get started. First, we need to install WP Reset plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type WP Reset and find the plugin by Web Factory Limited. It will take some time. Click Install Now, and when this plugin is installed, then active this plugin. It will take some time. Now active this plugin. Ready to reset your site. Make sure you have a backup if you want to keep any of your content. To access WP Reset, go to WordPress dashboard and look for tools in the sidebar. Click WP Reset. This is where you will find all the options to reset your site. Take a look around the dashboard to see all the reset options available, including a full reset and custom reset. To reset the entire WordPress site, in the WP Reset dashboard, scroll down to the site reset section. Type the word reset in the confirmation box to confirm you want to reset your site. Click the reset site button. After a few seconds, your website will be completely reset to a fresh install. All content, plugins and theme will be removed except for WP Reset. This action is permanent and cannot be undone, so double check if you really want to reset everything. Got any question? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.